Here's two of the most popular electronic deadbolts I sell. I like the Slade or Schlage line, most of it. There's a few duds in there, but these two I like. It's the Schlage BE365 and the Schlage Encode series. And the one above this, which we'll go into another video, we'll talk about another time, it just has more bells and whistles than even this one. This is plain Jane, it's heavy duty, does the trick, but you have to onboard program it. It's limited to 19 user codes, and it has a key override, which is a little bit tough to use. That's why I've made a video showing exactly how to use the key override. It's a little bit different thinking. But again, simple, and it takes a 9-volt battery. So I'm not really a fan of 9-volt batteries, but it's a workhorse. It just lasts forever. So, and you can tell it's a little bit different because it's got the rubberized numeric keypad. This is the Schlage Sense. There's different versions, different models, and the encode is very similar. I love it. It has the key override, which is very simple. Nobody has to learn how to use it. It's very easy. I don't have to do a video on how to open it up with a key. It's very heavy duty. It lasts a long time. It's durable and reliable, same as this one. This is a workhorse. They're both super reliable. I love it that it takes the 4 AA batteries, is really good. Key override. And the app is just seamless into this. So it's a Bluetooth app, or you can hook it up through your Wi-Fi and whatnot. The app is fantastic, very easy to use, and I can use it from anywhere. When it's hooked into the Wi-Fi, I can be anywhere in the world as long as I have Wi-Fi and my internet is working at home. I can see how the lock is working. Plus, I've set up family members with this, and if they're away from the house and somebody has to go to the house, I can let somebody in while they're standing at the door. So, and the best feature of this lock, in my opinion, is you can put it on, it will lock automatically. So after 30 seconds to 4 minutes, this will lock automatically. As, you know, doors closed, it'll lock automatically. I love that. You don't have to worry about, is my door locked, or did somebody forget to lock it, or whatever. So, and this doesn't have that feature. They're both very, very good deadbolts, and they're very, very good electronic deadbolts. It's reliable, they're good. It's a toss-up between the two. This one's just plain Jane, not expandable. This one you can add the Wi-Fi, you can use the app, you can use it out of the box, you don't even need the app. The app is seamless. On the Android or the iPhone, it's fantastic. So really love it. I like this a lot, and I also like this one. So if I have a customer who just wants something plain Jane, does the trick, reliable, they don't need all the bells and whistles. There's no Wi-Fi for this, no Bluetooth for this, nothing. This is just standalone, does the trick, reliable. If I want some bells and whistles or the locking automatic feature that I absolutely love, because for some reason nobody locks the doors around my place. I forget to lock the garage door when I come in. I know after 4 minutes it's going to lock. Working in and out of the house, I can actually disable it through my app. I can disable the locking feature for a bit and then put it back on. So lots of versatility, very usable, very user-friendly. Both of them are user-friendly. They're both great deadbolts. So again, at the moment, these are my go-to deadbolts for myself and also for my customers. This is what I like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.